While the novel coronavirus continues its community transmission, all affected countries are trying their best to change its trajectory. Researchers around the world are developing more than 135 vaccines against the coronavirus. Vaccines typically require years of research and testing before reaching the clinic, but scientists are racing to produce a safe and effective vaccine by next year. So, what is a vaccine and how is it made? Vaccination is one of the most effective ways to prevent diseases. A vaccine helps the body's immune system to recognize and fight pathogens like viruses or bacteria, which then keeps us safe from the diseases they cause. Vaccines contain the same germs that cause disease, but they have been either killed or weakened, to the point that they don't make you sick. Some vaccines contain only a part of the disease germ. A vaccine stimulates your immune system to produce antibodies, exactly like it would if you were exposed to the disease. After getting vaccinated, you develop immunity to that disease, without having to get the disease first. This is what makes vaccines such powerful medicine. Unlike most medicines, which treat or cure diseases, vaccines prevent them. So, one might think, making a vaccine is so easy. But it's not. A typical vaccine development primarily involves 5 stages before it reaches from lab to clinic. Preclinical testing. Scientists give the vaccine to animals such as mice or monkeys to see if it produces an immune response. Phase 1. Safety trials. Scientists give the vaccine to a small number of people to test safety and dosage as well as to confirm that it stimulates the immune system. Phase 2. Expanded trials. Scientists give the vaccine to hundreds of people split into groups, such as children and the elderly, to see if the vaccine acts differently in them. These trials further test the vaccine's safety and ability to stimulate the immune system. Phase 3. Efficiency trials. Scientists give the vaccine to thousands of people and wait to see how many become infected, compared with volunteers who received a placebo. These trials can determine if the vaccine protects against the coronavirus. Approval. Regulators in each country review the trial results and decide whether to approve the vaccine or not. During a pandemic, a vaccine may receive emergency use authorization before getting formal approval. What are the types of vaccine? Genetic vaccines. Vaccines that use one or more of the coronavirus's own genes to provoke an immune response. Viral vector vaccines. Vaccines that use a virus to deliver coronavirus genes into cells and provoke an immune response. Protein-based vaccines. Vaccines that use a coronavirus protein or a protein fragment to provoke an immune response. Whole virus vaccines. Vaccines that use a weakened or inactivated version of the coronavirus to provoke an immune response. Repurposed vaccines. Vaccines already in use for other diseases that may also protect against COVID-19. Numerous companies are involved in the quest to develop the vaccine at an escalated pace. The earlier the vaccines are developed, the sooner we can eradicate the virus. For more interesting videos and brain-boosting knowledge, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Also follow us on our Instagram. See you in the next video.